Baddest of them all. Do you wanna dance, baby? I know you see me looking at you on a daily. Ooh, I'm in a trance lately. I need something to wake me up, something to daze me.
I'm back. Yes, I'm with my car right now and I'm back temporarily. I'm actually flying back tomorrow. This whole week that I've been here, I basically gave this car to my dear friend John right here. He's done with my shit. Anyway, a lot of progress has made since last time you guys saw, because last time I think I said I'm gonna work on putting a new exhaust. Okay, so we talked about how me and John said that if this one goes bad, then we're going to weld another pipe and create a dual exit. That was a long time ago. Anyway, it's finally finished and I would love to show you guys what John did to my car. Look at that. That right there. That right there. Mr. John, he made that. So these are basically my old exhaust, and what I did, I used a Y pipe and just sort of connected it, reduced it to 2.5 inch and made it a dual exit. You guys probably noticed that there's a gap in between. Well, this was something that we had in terms of technical difficulties, and this was something that we couldn't able to get it done. But next time, version 2 of that dual exit, whatever, will be much closer. We're thinking about doing it 3 inch, sizing it up. So yeah, pretty cool. And also, he painted this bumper. It's very shiny. You guys see that? Yeah, that's the quality right there. So he also repainted the valences. And this was one of my requests that I told John to do, was my lip. My lip was in a horrible condition. You guys already know this. He basically brought it back to life. It's beautiful. I actually have a pretty cool car shoot tonight. You will find out when you see my car on this very famous YouTuber's page, which is very exciting. But this is how my car looks like. This 8 month, I've been working super hard to, get this car, in good shape. I've been working in New York City. I'm remotely not able to work on my car. So this was really great that John helped me. Thanks, John. but you guys want to see John's car. Okay, let me show you guys. Okay, first off, goddamn, so much difference here. Okay, well, first of all, you guys probably noticed the last time, I'll put the little clip here. All right, what's up, guys? So in today's video, we have John today, and John's Corolla. Yeah, so you guys remember this video I made about John and lowering his car, and we got a lot of views on that. What his car originally looked like. So he got this front end, and first of all, this hood 8 months ago, it was black, and he painted it silver. How many times?
At least 4.
4. guys, he painted that right there. You see that? You see that little cubby? He painted all that there. Crazy. This bumper is also being repainted in. So he actually painted black here to kind of go along with his what are these called? Like the side trim?
The moldings.
Moldings, yeah. So moldings, he repainted them, and then paint matched his bumper to his original color. And obviously this wheel, so good. Like check this out right now. Like, come on. How cool. Didn't you repaint this too?
Yep.
Yeah? Wait, is this the same color as your body?
Yes, it is.
Oh my god. So he paint matched his wheel, he refreshed them. Paint match with the same body color. He also painted rear bumper. And that's another V10 of his craftsmanship. This car came such a long way. He actually entered to show how his car looked like when he first got it. So it has made a significant change. It's a car. It's a car with a lot of character, and it's a perfect ride. My car, okay, well, like, don't look at that. Well, you guys can only see it from like 10 miles away. There's a lot of, things that I still have to work on, but like, I'm really happy that the lip really got fixed, and now it just one color. Literally, it just one color.